Tired of the AI noise? Your workflow, now smarter. Real help, built right in. Get more done, effortlessly. This is Google Workspace with Gemini. Welcome to Help Not Hype, a series showcasing how Google Workspace, enhanced with Gemini, solves real business challenges and delivers concrete value. We're cutting through the AI clutter to bring you real assistance, right where you work. Let's introduce you to one of our users and the real-world problem they're facing. Meet Emily. She is the event marketing manager at YYX Tech, responsible for analyzing post-event lead quality. Emily faces a common challenge in her role. Let's see what it is. Emily's key challenge is efficient lead qualification and analysis. She struggles to manually search and categorize hundreds of company names from event attendee lists, provide timely lead scoring to the sales team, and maintain an organized database, especially with a tight deadline. Now, let's see how Google Workspace with Gemini helps Emily overcome this challenge. The solution is Google Sheets with Gemini's smart data enhancement capabilities and Gmail to draft follow-up email. Emily can use Gemini in Google Sheets to automatically search for and fill in the industry category for each company name. She can then leverage Gemini in Gmail to identify key industry trends, extract potential high-value segments, and even draft personalized follow-up segments. This significantly accelerates her post-event analysis, lead scoring, and feedback loop to sales. What does Emily love about Google Workspace and Gemini? Let's hear the key benefits. Firstly, rapid data enrichment and analysis. Next, precise audience segmentation and insight generation. And finally, a streamlined sales handoff and follow-up process, allowing her to focus on strategic event planning and proving ROI. Ready to transform your workflow? Experience the help, not the hype. Google Workspace, truly helpful AI.